right, Rockford Fosgate old school fans. Got another treat for you here today. We've got a Punch 40i DSM. This precedes the Punch 40iX, which supersedes the Punch 45HD. This model is approximately the year 1993 or 4, somewhere in there. And I'll walk you through the amplifier here. I've got the caps off. I do not like to take these caps off because for some reason people love to take these caps off and lose them. What's wrong with you people? Got to keep up with these things. They stay with the amp. Anyway, here's the connections here on this side. We've got left, positive and negative. We have a treble control there. We have your RCA input jacks, and we also, beside that, we have your gain controls. And just to the right of the gain control, we have the bass control. Thank you, Rockford. Bass control. We love bass. And there's your right, positive, and negative speaker outputs. And I'll walk around a little bit so you can see the other side. Nothing really fancy here, and you may not be able to see it good because of my light. We have remote connection there, and then we have the trusty ground and 12 volt plus connections. Now today we're powering this Punch 40i DSM with a honking Audio Authority model 978 100 amps continuous output at 13.8 volts DC. I seriously doubt this amplifier needs that kind of power, but hey, we'll have it just in case, right? Now this amplifier is rated at 20 watts per channel into 4 ohms. That is a joke. I'm not sure what this actually is rated, but it has to be 4 times that. I'd say 80 watts per channel. And the reason I say that is because I've already hooked it up and listened to it, and it really kicks. So now, okay, in addition to the Audio Authority 100 amp power supply, we are using for a source the Alpine 9813, and we're just using the RCA outs for the rear. And I've turned off the crossover, so there's no crossing over going on. And if you've never seen this cool toolbox before, make sure to check out my other video where you can see how I built the toolbox. So we're just taking RCA out, going straight in here to the Punch 40i DSM. Then we go down here to a little bit of extra wiring. And let's follow the wiring. Where does it go, Big D? Where does it go? Where does it go? Oh, it goes to one of these. I bet some of you guys probably have never seen one of these. Let me explain to you what this is. This is called a tri-mode crossover. This particular one is made by Phoenix Gold. It's called the all system crossover. You take the left positive, left negative, right positive, right negative on this side, and on the output side, as you can see, we've got the left and right for satellites, and then we have one for subwoofer, positive and negative. This is a 4 ohm crossover. So what are we using here? We've got an Infinity Perfect 12 VQ, or Infinity Perfect 12 VQ. Not sure the exact model of that, but it's 4 ohms, 12-inch subwoofer. It's in about a 2 cubic foot ported box to the specs. And we also have some 4 ohm Rockford Fosgate DJ speakers. RFDJ1 is the model number for the left and right. So those are getting crossed over to about 120 hertz, I believe, and then the subwoofer's doing 120 hertz and down. So let's give you a little demonstration of this awesome amplifier. As with most of my demonstrations, I'm going to use some jazz music because YouTube doesn't appear to tag this and let me know that I'm infringing copyrights. Hey, I'm trying to promote people's music here by letting you guys hear the sound. This is a great song. Just I'll give you the title there so you can see. You should be able to see that right now. But let me go ahead and start it up, and I'll let you guys hear this awesome sound. Okay, that sounds great. Let's switch it to another song that has a little bit more bass separation so you can get some of that kick. Here we go. Alright, Rockford Fosgate fans, I've got one more song demo here for you, and I hope that YouTube doesn't tag this one because of copyright. It's Janet Jackson. It's a remix that I made, but man, this thing kicks. Punch 40i DSM. Hang on to your hats. Okay, here we have a bottom shot of the Rockford Fosgate Punch 40i DSM. And I'll let you see the specs there. 20 watts RMS continuous into 4 ohms. Right. As you can see, this has the warranty seals intact. Never been opened. There's actually 2, one on each corner there. And we do have the trusty covers, end plates, which some people for some reason don't hold on to. I understand the amplifier is much smaller to mount, but come on people, you've got to save these pieces. Makes it look so much sweeter with it. So there you go, the Punch 40i DSM. Okay folks, I just had to put this together so you could see the beauty of the DSM series from Rockford Fosgate. This is the Punch 40i DSM. Isn't it beautiful? Not a mint copy by any means, but still an awesome amplifier. Hope you enjoyed my demonstration. Be back soon with more Big D's audio.